Hey all, Brian here. Figured I'd do a quick video of my 95 Lightning doing a Crown Vic swap. I'm about 90% finished. So unfortunately I don't have any vids of the fab process, but I figured I'd do a quick video for anybody interested to see well, maybe what was involved. The boxing plates came from Team 321 down in Florida. They worked out really well for locating the cross member. I cut the middle out of the plates and put this piece in and put the holes in it myself just to kind of make it look a little better, at least in my opinion. And that's all the boxing that I did on the frame. I didn't feel like there was any reason to box them any further. This box that you see in the back here on each side is for the rear lower control arm mount. Something that I came up with. The arms are Fat Man arms that I decided to convert to a Heim. That's a 7/8 Heim that goes up inside the frame. And I cut the front bushing off of the Fat Man arms. Hopefully you can see that up in there. Put a Heim at the lower arm, and then the uppers, cut those off and converted them to Heims also. It's got Ride-Tech coilovers, Willwoods, as you can see. I have not yet bled the brakes. Steering shaft is all good. Those are Borgson pieces. It's got a Heim on it there to support it. Anyway, I'm excited to get it together, take it for a spin. Looks like I'm going to be getting close to about 200 pounds off the front of the truck with doing this. If you've seen sorry about this, I'm a little nervous on video. Any of my other videos, the motor combination is the same that it's had in it. It's a stock block 351. Got a cam in it, some trick flow heads. Making roughly about 700 horsepower on 20 psi according to the numbers that it runs, mile an hour in weight. Had to redo the hot side to go around the Crown Vic because the old hot side wouldn't work. So it's ready to go, just needs to be wrapped, and it's all figured out and good. I think that's about all the info for now. Anybody has any questions, post them up. I have lots of pics if anybody needs to see construction stuff. Here's how I did the brake lines over here. Used the line lock to split, to tee off between the fronts. And I was able to get adapters to run braided right off the master cylinder to eliminate the hard lines. Anyway, I hope to have the motor in, I don't know, maybe in a week and a half. It's getting a little bit more cam. I've got, the intake was leaking. I had to change the oil pan for the Crown Vic. And I'll do another video when I get it in, get it started up, and take it for a test drive. See ya.